Hello students, welcome back. Now let us solve question number 2 of exercise 11.3. ठीक है, क्या है? Here also we have to find the coordinates of foci, the vertices, the length of major axis, the minor axis, the eccentricity and length of latus rectum of the ellipse in this. ठीक है, ये किस फॉर्म में है? Here we see that x square by 4 plus y square by 25 equal to 1. Here denominator of y square by 25 is larger than denominator of x square by 4. So axis of ellipse will be along y axis, means major axis will be along y axis. Therefore foci of this ellipse will also lie on the y axis. ठीक है, now this equation is of which form? X by b square plus y by a square equal to 1. So from this we can calculate the value of b and a, and thereafter we'll find the value of c. ठीक है, so just see how we'll solve this. Since here क्या है? Denominator of y square by 25 is larger than denominator of x square by 4. ठीक है, यहाँ denominator of y square by 25 is larger than denominator of x square by 4, means axis of ellipse or major axis is along y axis. Hence axis of ellipse is along y axis and its vertices and foci are 0 plus minus a and 0 plus minus c respectively. ठीक है, now when we compare this equation with x square by b square plus y square by a square equal to 1, we get b equal to 2 and a equal to 5. So now comparing the given equation, x square by 4 plus y square by 25 equal to 1 with x square by b square plus y square by a square equal to 1, we get क्या मिलेगा? b equal to b square is 4, so b will be equal to 2, and a square is 25, so a is equal to 5. So b equal to 2 and a equal to 5. ठीक है, therefore when we got this, then we can find c. Hence c equal to under root a square minus b square, that is 5 square minus 2 square. So this is 25 minus 4, that is under root 21. So this is the value of c. Now we got a, b and c, then we can find all the given things. Hence coordinate of vertices. First coordinate of foci are 0 plus minus c की जगह under root 21. ठीक है, now coordinate of vertices. Coordinates of vertices are 0 plus minus a की जगह क्या है? 5. Then length of major axis इक्वल टू 2a, दैट इज 2 इंटू 5 इक्वल टू 10। ठीक है, लेंथ ऑफ माइनर एक्सिस क्या होता है? 2b, चाहे वो एक्सिस मेजर एक्सिस अलोंग एक्स एक्सिस हो या वाई एक्सिस हो, जो बड़ी एक्सिस होगी वही ए होगी और जो छोटी होगी वो बी होगी। सो लेंथ ऑफ माइनर एक्सिस इज 2b, that is 2 into 2 equal to 4. Now eccentricity of the ellipse is eccentricity of ellipse is E equal to C by A. Now here C equal to under root 21 by A equal to 5. ठीक है, now last, the length of latus rectum is here length of latus rectum equal to 2b square by A. Here 2 into value of b is 2, so 2 into 2 square by 5, that is equal to 8 by 5. ठीक है, so in this way we got all the terms which we need to find here, that is coordinate of foci, coordinate of vertices, major axis, minor axis, means length of major axis, length of minor axis, eccentricity and length of latus rectum. तो नोट करो, मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन के सॉल्यूशन के साथ। ओके, बाय।